Welcome on the next episode from Future Hosting and Clan Online Game TV. We offer you live report of the play matched and much more.
Everything new again, everything that I'd owned, I threw it out the windows, came along. Extreme waves I know will part the colors of my sea, perfect color me. Extreme waves that held me out late at night. Extreme places I had gone, that never see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it, Pam? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Then it fell apart. It fell apart. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Then it fell apart. It fell apart. I didn't have much to say, I didn't give up the lie. I closed my eyes and closed myself and closed my world and never opened up to anything that could get me at all. I had to close down everything, I had to close down my mind. Too many things caught me, too much could make me blind. I've seen so much in so many places, so many heartaches, so many faces, so many dirty things you couldn't even believe.